What if I told you you have a supercomputer hidden right inside your skull, and that this supercomputer is so powerful it can literally build you a castle, invent a video game, or even get you that new bike? Sounds crazy, right? Well, get ready, because Chapter 1 is all about turning your thoughts into reality. Well, everything. So, the author, Napoleon Hill, isn't telling us a story about one person. He's telling us the story of a huge idea. He spent over 20 years studying the most successful people in the world. Inventors, presidents, billionaires. And he discovered they all had one secret weapon in common. It wasn't a magic wand. It wasn't a pile of gold they were born with. It was something they all learned to use. Their brains. He tells us about a famous inventor. He thought about the light bulb so hard and so specifically that he literally willed it into existence through thousands of experiments. His thought became a real, glowing thing. The chapter says that whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. It's like your thoughts are the first brushstroke on a giant empty canvas. Everything you see around you, this chair, this camera, the device you're watching this on, started as a single thought in someone's head. Thomas Edison.
I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work.
Okay, think of it like this. Your brain is the ultimate video game console. Your thoughts are the buttons you press. If you just mash random buttons, you get a glitchy, messy game. But if you have a plan, like I'm going to beat this level, and you press the exact right buttons with focus, you win. You're programming your own game of life. So the secret power-up from this chapter isn't just think positive. Nah, it's way cooler than that. It's your thoughts are like magical seeds. If you plant a seed of, I can't do this, you get a weed. But if you plant a seed of, I'm going to figure out how to build the best Lego fortress ever, and you water it with your attention, that seed grows into a real awesome fortress you can actually touch and play in. Your job is to be the gardener of your own awesome brain garden. All right, Mindsetters, it's time for our Mint Mindset mission. This is where you get in the game. Here's my question for you. What is one awesome thing you want to use your brain's supercomputer to create or achieve? Is it learning a backflip, designing your own comic book, getting a better grade in math? I want to know. Your mission, should you choose to accept it. Comment below and tell me your one goal. Let's build a huge list of awesome ideas together. Like this video if you believe your thoughts have power. It helps other Mindsetters find our clubhouse. Subscribe and hit the bell because next week we're learning the secret ingredient that makes these thought seeds actually grow. It's called faith. And it's not what you think. Tease the next chapter. Seriously, it's mind-blowing. We're going to unlock the next level of your brain's power. You won't want to miss it. Stay awesome. Mint Mindset. See you in the comments.